In New Jersey, there's a legal process to go through if you want to change your name. They've recently changed the rules to eliminate an important requirement that one publish in the newspaper your intention to change your name. That's really important for a lot of people, especially those in the transgender community or gender nonconforming community. In the past, publishing your name, you'd have to buy a legal notice in the newspaper saying that you intended to change your name, this was your old name, and this is going to be the name that you wish to be known by. That is effectively asking members of the trans community to out themselves to the general public and can have certain safety risks. For people who are cisgendered, their sex at birth comports with their gender identity, being asked to produce documentation of their identification is a mundane, everyday task. For members of the trans community, however, it can be a harrowing experience. It could be a difficult life event. If you have transitioned already, you are now living life with a new gender identity from the one that might be on your documents, and you haven't changed your name, there can be certain safety risks involved. For instance, if you're pulled over on the side of the road, a police officer asks you to produce your driver's license. If you're living your life now as a trans woman and your name that you go by is Crystal, however, your driver's license still says you are a male and the name that you go by is John, that police officer is going to have questions. It could lead to an embarrassing incident, it could lead to arrest or possible safety risks. It's important that we have equal access to the courts. It's important that we remove as many barriers to people being able to live life with the name that they wish to. By eliminating this requirement, New Jersey's taken one more step to granting that equal access to everyone.